Minced meat. No machine, no problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grind meat without a meat grinder. Stay tuned. Begin by cutting your beef into very thin slices. So take one of your slices, cut it into small strips, and then we are going to put these strips together and we are going to begin to cut them into small pieces of meat. You're going to go ahead and repeat this process with all the other slices. In this next process, you're going to take two knives and in repeated motion, you are going to cut the beef by slamming your chopping board back and forth in repeated motion, in repeated continuous motion. Remember, if you want best results, you can use heavy knives. You can also just use one knife if coordination for you is not that easy. And there you have it. That's how you grind meat without a meat grinder. My hope is that you learned something new today about meat grinding. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.